Well, guys, today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different that I've never done before. Going to be opening a retail box of Press Pass Racing 2012. So let me get... One moment. Looks like I'll be using a pen. Sorry to leave you hanging, but guess what? I don't do much of that editing crap. Still recording with my cell phone. Alright, here we go. It's gonna come with 4 packs of 8 cards as well as 2 exclusive cards. So look at those exclusive. Well, first thing we'll do. Here's what the packs look like. Here's the exclusives. Carl Edwards snapshot and another AJ Allmendinger. I got another box already. And that one I just put down. I put down because it seems awfully thick. Kyle Busch leads twice as many laps. Holy crap! I already have that card. Dale Jr. Have that card. Have that card. Blue parallel. Don't have this card. Don't have this card. Don't have this card. Alright. I'll do a recap of my first box in a moment. After I open these. Actually called Sapphire Parallels this year. Of blue parallels. Bad pack. Bad pack. Jeff Gordon ties for 3rd. Have that card. Busher, pretty much sure I have it. Pretty sure I have that one. Have that. Snapshot, Carl Edwards. Just a different one. 2011 highlights. Now, I've had a lot of luck as far as, I guess you'd call it inserts or hits go. I've pulled at least one autograph or memorabilia card for the past 4 years. Transporters just... Jesus, I already have that. Guess what? I have that one too. Snapshots, Kurt Busch, Juan Montoya, Paul Menard, and Joey Logano, and here we go. The thick one. Probably nothing, but always hope. What? Don't mind. Crud. Could've sworn I had a pair of scissors there. Alright, 1 second. Safety scissors. Yeah! Kevin Harvick race used tire. 15 of 99. Fontana. Make that 5 years in a row. And you know what? I'm not even going to recap that other box now because there's no need to. I think you get how excited I am. Alright, bye.